how to bookmark your favorite website. Start by tapping open the application of Google Chrome if you use Google Chrome as a web browser. And the next thing you can do is open up the website that you want to bookmark. After you open up the website, on the top right of the screen you can see the three dots. Tap on it. From here a bunch of options will open. Now to bookmark this website, you can see a star on the top. Simply tap on it. After you do that, your website has been bookmarked. Now to view the bookmarked website, you can again tap on the three lines and then tap on the option that says bookmarks below the downloads. To see the websites that you bookmarked using a mobile, you can tap on mobile bookmarks. And here you'll find all the bookmarks made to your favorite website.